Hello everyone and welcome to another video with Mr. Math. Today we're talking about linear function and a slope. Our problem says find the x-intercept and the y-intercept of the graph negative 6x plus 6y equals to negative 18. Okay, the easiest way to solve this is just by understanding that the x-intercept will have the coordinate on y as 0 and the y-intercept will have the coordinate on x as 0. And so we're going to make that happen and then solve for each one of the variables that are remaining. Okay, I will process this specifically here. Okay, so our equation is negative 6x plus 6y equals to negative 18. So for the x-intercept, this is the rule. If I am looking for the x-intercept, I will make my y equals to 0. This we could consider as, if we want to say, a rule or our strategy. If I'm looking for the x-intercept, I will say my y is equals to 0. So let's do that. So I'll have negative 6x plus 6 times 0 equals to negative 18. 6 times 0 is 0, so I'll have negative 6x equals to negative 18. I will solve for x by dividing by negative 6 on both sides, and x is equals to 3. So this is telling me that when y is 0, my x is equals to 3. So I will have 3 and 0. Okay, the same way, if I am looking for the y-intercept, then I need to make the opposite. I need to make my x equals to 0. Once again, you can look this as a rule, as a strategy, but we need to make our x equals to 0 over the same equation. So we'll have negative 6 times 0. Let's make better that 0. Negative 6 times 0 plus 6y equals to negative 18. So 6 times 0 is 0, and I'll have 6y equals to negative 18. Divided by 6 on both sides, and then I have y equals to negative 3. So this is telling me that when my x is 0, my y is equals to negative 3. x0, y equals to negative 3. And these two here are just two coordinate points that we will put in our graphic. The first one is 3, 0, which is right there. And the second one will be 0, negative 3. Right there. And we'll have our line there. Okay, thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful for you.